Hello friends, welcome to Mother Made channel. Friends, how are you? Hope everything is fine and all are doing well. May God bless you all in keeping safe and healthy. Friends, please follow all the precautions that are necessary for corona. In today's video, I will show you the difference between EGMS flakes and pearl powder, the shyness that we get when we mix them in liquid soap. Many of my dear friends want to know, should they use EGMS flakes or pearl powder to get maximum shyness in the liquid. This is a practical video. To understand properly, please watch the whole video. So friends, let's start the video and see which is better, which gives more shine, EGMS flakes or pearl powder. See friends, this is EGMS flakes. It is white in color, and this is pearl powder, some grayish in color, and it is in powder form. This is liquid soap. Friends, I am dividing this liquid soap in two parts. First, I am taking some pearl powder and mixing in liquid soap. See the result. Now I am taking some EGMS flakes and mixing in liquid. After mixing EGMS flakes, see the result. Friends, again I am showing you. In this liquid I added pearl powder. See the shininess. In this liquid I added EGMS flakes. Now friends, you tell me which is better, which gives more shine, EGMS flakes or pearl powder. Please give me your feedback in comment box. I will wait for your comments. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. I will try to answer all your questions. Friends, is this video useful for you? If do, please like my video and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press the subscribe icon. After pressing subscribe icon, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options written on the screen. Please press the all button which is written on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will get notifications always and immediately whenever I make a new video in future. Okay friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.